Welcome to our expedition to the breathtaking Glacier Lagoon. In heart of Iceland, this hidden gem is a magnificent natural wonder that offers an unforgettable experience to those who visit. As we embark on this adventure, let's explore what makes this lagoon so special. The Glacier Lagoon is a result of the melting of glaciers, which have been slowly moving towards the ocean for thousands of years. The water from these glaciers, combined with rainwater, flows into a small valley and eventually accumulates into this beautiful lagoon. The lagoon is home to a diverse array of wildlife, including dolphins, seals, and even whales during the annual migration season. The warm freshwater lagoon is an ideal heaven for these creatures, providing them with a safe and comfortable environment to raise their young. As we stroll through the lagoon, it's easy to understand why these animals choose this location for their homes. The clear, sparkling water invites you to take a refreshing swim, while the lush greenery and surrounding mountains provide a peaceful backdrop. But the Glacier Lagoon is not just about the wildlife. It's also a heaven for photographers and nature enthusiasts alike. The vibrant colors of the surrounding landscape, the dramatic reflection of the sun on the water, and the gentle lapping of the waves create a truly enchanting scene. In conclusion, the Glacier Lagoon in Iceland is a must-see destination for anyone seeking a unique and captivating natural experience. Its beauty and tranquility make it a perfect place for relaxation and self-discovery, as well as a fantastic spot for photography and wildlife watching. So, pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable journey to the heart of Iceland's natural wonders.